Welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Word. In this video, we will show you how to double-space text in Microsoft Word using different methods. Whether you are formatting an essay, a business document, or any other text, this guide will help you. So, let's get started. First, we will learn how to double-space using paragraph spacing option. This is the easiest and most commonly used method to apply double spacing. To do this, first, select the text you want to double space. If you want to apply it to the entire document, press Ctrl+A for Windows user and Command+A for Mac user. This will select everything in the document. Now go to Home tab in the toolbar. In the paragraph section, click the small line and paragraph spacing icon. From the drop-down menu, select 2.0 to apply double spacing. Now, the selected text will be double spaced. This method is quick and useful for most users. This time, we will learn double spacing using the paragraph setting dialog box. If you want more control over line spacing, this method is for you. To do this, select the text you want to format. Now right-click on the selection and choose paragraph. In the paragraph dialog box, find the line spacing section. Click the drop-down menu and select double to apply double spacing. Click OK to save the change. This method is helpful when you need advanced spacing option, such as adjusting before and after paragraph spacing. So this is how you can add double space in your text in MS Word. But if you are a regular user or if you need double space every day or every time, then you should have a permanent solution. Now come to the permanent solution. The permanent solution is the default setting. To do this, open Word and go to Home tab. Click the small line and paragraph spacing icon on the paragraph section. Select line spacing option. In the paragraph dialog box, choose double under line spacing and click Set as Default. Select all document based on this template and click OK. Now, every new document you create will have double spacing by default. This method is useful for students or professionals who always need double spacing in their document. So that's how you can double space in your Microsoft Word document and you can set it as default. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more MS Word tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.